Hey everyone, today we're going to explore how a single day of focused meditation can significantly impact your body's health and well-being. Meditation has been scientifically proven to reduce stress, improve concentration, and even enhance overall physical health. So let's look into a day dedicated to healing your body through powerful meditations. Ready to feel refreshed and rejuvenated? Let's get started. Before we begin our meditative practices, it's essential to create an environment that supports relaxation and focus. A calm and peaceful space can significantly enhance your meditation experience, making it easier to connect with your inner self and facilitate healing. Start by finding a quiet spot where you won't be disturbed. This could be a corner of your bedroom, a dedicated meditation room, or even a spot in your garden. The key is to choose a place where you feel comfortable and at peace. Once you've chosen your spot, make it cozy. You might want to add a comfortable cushion or chair to sit on. The goal is to ensure your body isn't distracted by discomfort, allowing you to focus fully on your meditation. Consider dimming the lights or drawing the curtains to soften the room's atmosphere, creating a tranquil environment that invites calmness. Adding elements like soothing music or natural sounds can also enhance your space. The gentle sound of a water fountain or a soft playlist can help mask distracting noises and set the stage for deep relaxation. Introducing a pleasant scent through essential oils or incense can evoke a sense of calm and make your meditation practice more enjoyable. Lavender, sandalwood, and chamomile are popular choices known for their relaxing properties. While we don breaks, our first meditation of the day focuses on gently awakening your body and mind. This session is designed to ease you into the day with a sense of renewed energy and purpose. Start by sitting comfortably in your prepared space, closing your eyes, and taking a few deep breaths. With each inhale, imagine drawing vitality into your body, and with each exhale, release any lingering sleepiness or tension. Now direct your attention to your intentions for the day. What aspects of your physical health would you like to focus on healing? It could be reducing pain, enhancing vitality, or simply nurturing overall well-being. Silently or aloud, state your intentions in a positive, affirming manner. For example, you might say, "Today I am nurturing my body and inviting health and energy." Setting such intentions not only directs your energy, but also aligns your mind and body toward a healing state. Continue your meditation by focusing on each part of your body, from your toes to your head. As you move your attention upward, visualize a warm, healing light accompanying your focus. This light brings energy and renewal to each. Allow this visualization to help you connect with your body's innate healing capabilities. Feel the energy circulating through you, recharging and revitalizing your entire being. This morning meditation should leave you feeling energized and mentally prepared for the day ahead. It's not just about waking up your body, but also setting a positive tone that aligns with your physical and emotional goals. While you gently open your eyes at the end of the session, carry forward this sense of purpose and energy, ready to engage fully with the day's healing practices. Transitioning from the morning's energizing session, our next focus is grounding, a vital meditation practice that enhances stability and calmness. Grounding helps connect you with the earth's energy, which can stabilize your emotions and physical sensations, particularly beneficial if you're feeling scattered or overly stimulated. Begin this session by sitting or standing barefoot if possible, feeling the floor or ground beneath you. Close your eye. Imagine these roots drawing up the earth's strength and stability into your body. As you breathe in, feel this strength rise up through your body, reinforcing your core and lending you its steadiness. Continue this visualization for several minutes, focusing on the connection between you and the earth. With each breath, imagine drawing up more stability and calm into your body, letting it fill you up. This practice not only brings a physical sense of balance, but also promotes mental clarity and an emotional sense of calm. By the end of this session, aim to feel as stable and unshakable as a large, deeply rooted tree. While we approach the middle of the day, it's time to shift our focus to cultivating gratitude, a powerful tool for enhancing physical health and emotional well-being. Gratitude shifts your focus from what is lacking to the abundance that is already present in your life, which can have a profound impact on your mental state and, by extension, your physical health. Sit comfortably in your meditation space and close your eyes. Begin by focusing on your breath, feeling each inhalation and exhalation slowly and deeply. Once you are centered, start to think about the things you are grateful for. These can be simple, everyday blessings, such as the warmth of the sun, the comfort of your home, or even the air that fills your lungs. With each item of gratitude, visualize sending a small thank you out into the universe. Imagine each thank you as a ripple of positive energy extending outwards. Feel the warmth that this gratitude brings back to you, filling your body with a golden light of positivity. This practice not only enhances your emotional resilience, but can also contribute to physical healing by reducing stress and promoting a state of calm. Let this meditation on gratitude be a gentle reminder of all the good that surrounds you. By acknowledging and appreciating these elements, you nourish your spirit and contribute to a healthier, more contented state of being. After a nourishing meal, our focus shifts towards supporting our digestive system, which plays a crucial role in overall health and well-being. A meditation dedicated to digestive healing can enhance the body's ability to absorb nutrients and maintain a balanced metabolism. Begin this session by finding a comfortable seated position. Place one hand on your stomach and close your eyes. Focus on breathing deeply, allowing the abdomen to expand with each inhale and contract with each exhale. This gentle movement helps stimulate digestion and promotes relaxation in the digestive tract. Now visualize a warm, soothing light enveloping your stomach and digestive organs. With each breath, imagine this light growing warmer, gently encouraging your digestive system to function efficiently and calmly. Think of this process as a gentle massage for your internal organs, soothing any discomfort and enhancing the natural healing process. Maintain this focus for several minutes, allowing the visualization of warmth and light to promote a sense of ease throughout your digestive system. This practice not only aids in physical digestion, but also helps in digesting and releasing any emotional stress that often accumulates in the gut. While the day progresses, it's common to accumulate stress and tension. Our mid-afternoon meditation focuses on releasing this buildup, which is vital for maintaining both mental clarity and physical health. Releasing stress regularly prevents long-term wear and tear on the body and nurtures resilience. Settle back into your meditation space and take a moment to observe any areas in your body where you might be holding tension. Start by focusing on your breath, allowing it to become slower and deeper with each exhale. Imagine sending a wave of relaxation to these tense areas. Visualize the tension melting away like ice under the sun. Continue to breathe deeply, directing the breath towards tense spots, perhaps the shoulders, back, or forehead. With this focused attention, encourage relaxation and release in each area. If your mind wanders to daily worries, gently bring your attention back to your breath and the physical sensations of relaxation. By the end of this video, aim to feel a noticeable difference in your body's tension levels and an enhanced sense of peace. This stress release is not just about calming the mind, but also about physically decompressing, which can prevent chronic stress patterns and improve overall health. While we move into the late afternoon, our attention turns towards emotional healing. Emotions have a profound impact on physical health, influencing everything from hormonal balance to immune function. This session aims to identify and release any negative emotions that might have built up, fostering a sense of peace and wellness. Begin by returning to a comfortable seated position in your quiet space. Close your eyes and take a few deep breaths, centering yourself. Now turn your focus inward and notice any feelings that arise without engaging or judging them. Whether it's a lingering frustration from earlier in the day or a deeper, more persistent emotion, simply acknowledge its presence. Imagine each breath you take in is filled with a cool, calming light. As you exhale, envision that you are releasing these emotions with the breath, letting them go bit by bit. With each cycle of breath, feel lighter and more at peace. This visualization not only helps in alleviating emotional weight, but also clears the mind, making way for positive thoughts and feelings. Spend several minutes in this state, allowing the process of emotional release to be thorough. The goal is to emerge from this meditation feeling cleansed and emotionally balanced, ready to tackle the rest of the day with a renewed sense of calm. As the day begins to wind down, it's common to experience a drop in energy. This pre-dinner meditation is designed to rejuvenate your spirits and boost your energy levels, ensuring that you can enjoy your evening fully. For this session, stand up if possible to help invigorate your body. Close your eyes and start with a few deep, energizing breaths. Imagine each inhale drawing in fresh energy and each exhale expelling fatigue, tiredness. Visualize this new energy as a vibrant light, filling you from head to toe with its brilliance. To now gently begin to move your body. Rotate your shoulders, stretch your arms, and bend your legs slightly. Keep your movements slow and deliberate, synchronizing them with your breath. This combination of movement and visualization helps to shake off any lethargy and revitalizes the body and mind. As evening settles in, it's time to focus on deep relaxation. This meditation is designed to prepare your body and mind for restful sleep by deeply relaxing each part of your body. This practice not only aids in physical recovery, but also ensures that you achieve a state of mental tranquility essential for rejuvenative sleep. Start by finding a comfortable position, ideally lying down in a quiet, dimly lit room. Close your eyes and begin to focus on your breath, inhaling deeply and exhaling slowly. With each breath, imagine a wave of relaxation sweeping over your body, starting from the tips of your toes and moving slowly upwards. Concentrate on each part of your body individually. Allow each area to relax completely as you exhale. Pay special attention to commonly tense areas like the jaw, shoulders, and hands. Visualize tension dissolving away with each breath, leaving your muscles feeling loose and heavy. This systematic relaxation not only eases physical strain, but also clears the mind of the day's residual stress. Continue this pattern until you have visualized relaxation for your entire body. Conclude the session by envisioning yourself sinking into a deep, peaceful sleep, fully prepared to recover and rejuvenate throughout the night. While the final meditation of the day, this session is centered on reflection and setting the intention for overnight healing. This practice consolidates the day's meditative work and sets a positive healing tone for the subconscious work that occurs. Begin by revisiting the intention set during your morning meditation. Reflect on how the day unfolded relative to these intentions. Acknowledge any progress or insights gained without judgment, focusing on gratitude for the day's experiences. Now shift your focus to healing overnight. Lie down in your bed and close your eyes, breathing deeply and evenly. Visualize a healing light or energy enveloping your body, soothing and repairing any remaining areas of physical or emotional discomfort. Imagine this healing process continuing as you sleep, with your body and mind integrating and benefiting from the day's meditations. Settle into this visualization, allowing yourself to drift off to sleep while holding the intention of waking up rejuvenated and restored. This final meditation bridges your conscious efforts with the subconscious healing that occurs in sleep, enhancing the overall effectiveness of your one-day meditation retreat. Thank you for joining me today on this journey through a day of powerful meditations designed to heal and rejuvenate your body. I hope you found these practices helpful and that they've inspired you to incorporate meditation into your daily routine for ongoing health and well-being. If you enjoyed this video and found it beneficial, Please don't forget to like and share it with others who might also appreciate this meditative healing journey. And if you haven't already, subscribe to the channel for more content like this. Your support helps us continue to create videos that can make a positive impact. Here's to your health and tranquility. Keep meditating and see the wonderful changes it brings into your life. Thank you for watching and take care.